Antarctica, the seventh continent. Give a globe a spin. On it, you can easily find 6 continents: Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. These lands have been home to humans for many thousands of years. Now look at the bottom of the globe. There you'll find a continent number 7, Antarctica. Antarctica is located far from where anyone lives and is surrounded by rough seas. For example, for a long time, no one knew it was there. Many explorers have sailed the stormy Antarctic waters throughout history. However, people didn't actually discover Antarctica until around 1820. No one individual has given credit for its discovery. A few men are said to have sighted it within days of each other. Historians also do not agree on the first people to explore its lands. Over the last 200 years, we have learned that Antarctica is a place of extremes. It is the coldest and widest continent, and it gets the least rain and snow. Antarctica also has some of the most amazing wildlife in the world. Freezing Antarctica. During the winter, the southern half is turned away from the sun for a couple of weeks in June and July. Winter in Antarctica, the sun never rises for a period in December and January. Summer in Antarctica, the sun never sets. Antarctica's location means the weather is usually cold, icy, and windy. The temperature in summer most often reaches just above 0 degrees Celsius to 2 degrees Fahrenheit. In winter, the temperature is almost always below minus 18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was at the Antarctic Science Station in July 1983. It got down to minus 89 Celsius, minus 128 Fahrenheit. This extreme cold is why thick sheets of ice cover Antarctica. At its deepest, Antarctica's ice is 402.5 meters thick.
4 kilometers.
4 kilometers, 2.5 meters thick. With all that ice, it might seem surprising that Antarctica is also the driest continent. It gets less than 5 centimeters, 2 inches of rain or snow a year. Most of Earth is covered by water. However, this water is mostly salt water. Most of Earth's fresh water is frozen in the Antarctica's ice. Since snow doesn't melt away during the cold Antarctic summers, ice has been building up over thousands of years. Life on and around Antarctica. The bitter weather conditions in Antarctica have made it a dangerous habit for life to survive. The continent has no trees, and only no low plants, such as moss, grow there. The continent has one native insect, the tiny Antarctic midge. Almost all plant and animal life on Antarctica is found near the coast or in the sea. Among the creatures that call the icy Antarctic waters home And the emperor penguin, the largest penguin in the world, it stands more than 1.2 meters tall, 4 feet tall. Leopard seals are fast, fierce predators that hunt penguins and other prey in the open water. The second largest kind of seal in the world. Leopard seals Leopard seals can grow more than 3.3 meters, 11 feet long, and can weigh up to 590 kilograms, 1,300 lim. A playground for scientists. People around the world have worked hard to protect Antarctica's wildlife and land. 30 countries have about some of the 70 research bases on Antarctica. Some are open year-round, even during the extreme winter. Others are only open in summer. Some scientists come to study the wildlife on land and in the water. For example, some scientists record what penguins eat and how they behave. Other scientists study Antarctica's ice. They measure how it changes. They also drill down and pull out ice cubes called cores. These cores contain bubbles of air that can inform scientists about what the air in Antarctica was like long ago. Some of Antarctica's giant ice shelves, floating pieces of ice attached to land, have been dropping into the ocean. Scientists are studying the ice melting in Antarctica and other places. It may cause problems around the world someday. In addition to scientists, thousands of tourists visit Antarctica each year. Most arrive on ships to experience one of the most remote places on planet Earth. Conclusion: Antarctica remains one of the least known lands in the world. The cold ice, rough seas make it a difficult place to explore and study. However, it's a place of uncommon beauty that offers opportunities to study an extreme habit.